Hello, I'm Christabel from Earth, and I'm here today with Anabel from Neal's Yard Remedies, and we are at the Eco Factory in Peacemarsh. We're going to be talking about how Neal's Yard Remedies is working to protect biodiversity and with a particular focus on bees and bumblebees. Like at every stage of the business, you are working to protect biodiversity and bees.
For the last 12 years, we've been campaigning heavily for protecting bees. We took a petition to government in 2011, and we took 120,000 signatures asking the government to ban hazardous pesticides. Neonicotinoid ban did come in force in 2017, so that was really exciting. Obviously, ever since then, it's been a little bit of a tricky rope because
Didn't they pull it back, didn't they?
So yes, last year they called for an emergency derogation for the sugar beet crop and brought it back, and it sort of went under the radar, and so we started campaigning again. It's been a confusion all along that people thought we were only protecting bees in general, but in fact there's lots and lots of honeybees. There's not really a problem with them.
Yeah.
It's wild bees that are the problem.
That's a bumblebee.
That's a bumblebee. We have lots of different bumblebee species here at Peacemarsh, and there are honeybees because we have our own hives. If you think that all around the world wildlife has been in a terrible decline, in the last 20 years alone, there's been a 60% decrease in flying insects. And if 1 in 3 mouthfuls of food depends on pollinators, for example, who knows where we'd be, not to mention our beautiful products that we make. So it's not only is it a good business decision to campaign for biodiversity and because of the products that they use and the ingredients that we grow, but also it's where customers are at.
Yeah.
I mean, it's what customers want also. I mean, we actually represent citizens, and citizens will vote with their wallet and they want to protect biodiversity. And so it's a completely holistic campaign really, because, in the end, we're all on this one planet together, so we've got to look after it.
We strongly believe in using an independent certification body to certify our products to make sure consumers have the peace of mind that basically they're getting what they're paying for.